Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wells Fargo Zelle account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you cancel a recurring Zelle payment with your Wells Fargo account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to cancel your recurring Zelle payments anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you pay contractors through Zelle, and you might have even set up a recurring payment. But if you're not working with them anymore, you need to cancel the recurring payment. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wells Fargo dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Wells Fargo account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you need to cancel a Zelle recurring payment, here on the top center, you're going to click on transfer and pay. All right, once you do that, you're going to see a drop down menu, and you want to click send money with Zelle. All right, once you do that, you're going to scroll down and click on this line right here. All right, once you do that, you're going to see all of your scheduled Zelle payments. You can see I just have this one right here. So go ahead and click on the repeating payment. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see more information about this recurring payment, but you want to scroll all the way to the bottom and then click on skip or cancel. All right, once you do that, you're going to see these two options. So skip payment means it's just going to skip one of the recurring payments. But if you're sure you want to go ahead and cancel the recurring payment, click here on cancel repeating payments. Once you do that, you're going to get this warning. Are you sure you want to cancel this recurring payment with your Wells Fargo Zelle? If so, click on the red yes button. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. You should see this green check mark. You canceled the repeating payments. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to cancel recurring Zelle payments in your Wells Fargo account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.